Okay guys, that was the tour of the Tucson Botanical Gardens. I do recommend it. It is beautiful. It's definitely different than the botanical gardens in Denver. They each have their own unique flavor. This one is much smaller, so I was able to make it around multiple times. Even got to do a little bit of yoga in the Zen garden, so check that out. Go to the yoga series, and we'll get some more going, some more videos going. So thumbs up, subscribe, get your movement in, and we'll see you soon. Love you. I'm here if you need me. Finding my way out. Finding my way out. Okay, take great care, guys. See ya. Oh, and I get to see Annie tonight. Flying back now. Okay. Flying back soon, I should say. See ya.